Okay, Justin. Okay, get in the box. Get in the box, Justin. Okay. This box is heavy. Ugh. How much do you weigh?
5 pounds.
I don't feel like no 5 pounds. Okay, she's waking up. Hide. Ooh, supposed to hide over here. Move over. Okay. Ooh. No one's here. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Thanks, guys. You remembered. Well, I did. You killed me. Ah! On the cake! And stuff. My birthday's ruined. That's not. Okay!
Send the birthday candles.
Here you go. And here's your birthday cake. Stop. You're knocking all this stuff off. Let me just put it. Okay, let's just put all this garbage stuff, whatever, like over there. Hey, did you guys?
No.
And I'm 10.
Happy birthday to you.
Truffles.
Happy birthday to you.
Stick a lollipop.
Happy birthday, dear banana.
Go fall off that Empire State Building.
Happy birthday to you.
Go suck a sack.
Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? Are you 9? Are you 10?
Yes. Shut up! Now, where's my present? Ooh, open this. Okay, I guess I will open this one since nothing else open. No, there's this other present over there, but I advise you to just open this present. It's a teddy bear. I always wanted. Wait, what kind of thing is this? It's a ballerina dolly. I always wanted one of these. Thanks, guys. You're welcome. You know what's in here? Awkward. I thought this was supposed to be a happy moment for her, but it's a dead moment. What happened? I think it backfired. Yeah, I thought she would, like, be happy and stuff. Instead, she just passed out. Okay. She's still breathing. Oh. What? Ah! This has been the best birthday. This has been the best birthday I have ever had. I mean, no one has ever done that for me before. I mean, my family, of course. But you? I thought you'd just give me a white birthday. No, why would I do that? I don't know. Because I like your brother as a friend. Why would you? I see where you're going at this. I guess me and you should eat at the birthday table, Justin. Since you're my birthday guest. I'll just drop it back in here. I love my dolly. I think I should take it back. What? Nothing. Yeah, that me. This is awkward.